So this is the pig dissection. So I have the heart right here, the lungs right here, and then I have the epiglottis, which is in the throat, and it's this little disc right here. And then I have the larynx, which is right here. And then I have the trachea right here. And then to the left of it is going to be the thymus. And the thyroid gland is right here, along with the esophagus right here. And then the diaphragm is right here. And then we have the gallbladder, which is going to be right in here, this little guy here, the gallbladder. And then we have the liver, which is this right here. And then we have the spleen, which is right here, this little lizard tongue, right here. That's the spleen. And then we have the pancreas, which is right under here. And then we have the stomach, which is this little deflated balloon right here. And then we have the small intestines, which is right here. And then we have the large intestines, which is this right here. And the rectum is right here. This is the rectum right here. And then the anus is right here. And then we have the kidneys, which is right here, on the side here, and then on this side here. And then we have the ureter, which is right here. This is one of them right there. And then we have the urinary bladder, which is right here. And then we have the urethra, which is right here. And then we have the testes, which are going to be on the side of the legs. And then we have the epididymis, which is right here. And then we have the ductus deferens, which is right here.